Now balancing postures. Vrikshasana. Bring the feet on the thigh. Namaste. Breathe in all the way, stretch the hands up. Breathe out on the head. Push the elbows back. Breathe in, bring the hands forward. Breathe out, relax. Same, bring the feet on the thigh. Namaste. Breathe in, stretch all the way up. Breathe out on the head. Push the elbows back. Breathe in, bring the hands forward. Breathe out. Relax. 3 breaths. Namaste. Breathe in, come forward, raise the right leg back. Try to be horizontal to the ground. Breathe out. Now relax. Other leg. Namaste. Breathe in, come forward, look at the fingers so that your mind is focused. Body balances. Breathe out, relax. 3 breaths. Now hold the ankle, raise the left hand, breathe in, breathe out, come forward, raise the back leg. Breathe in, breathe out, down. Now with the other leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Come forward, look at the tip of the fingers, raise the back leg. Breathe in, breathe out, down. Relax, 3 breaths. Now lift the leg forward. Breathe out, side. Breathe in, bring forward. Breathe out, down. Relax. Now the other leg. Hold the big toe with 2 fingers. Raise as you breathe in. Breathe out. Take it side. Breathe in. Bring forward. Breathe out, down. Relax. 3 breaths. Garudasana. Twist the legs and the hands as shown on the side. Breathe. Relax. Now the other leg, other side twist, and the hands also twist. Gaze forward. Relax. 3 breaths. Chair posture. Spread the legs, sit gently on the knees, stretch the hands and sit like a chair. Relax 3 breaths in this position. Breathe in and come up. Feet together, 3 breaths. Now Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Raise the hand as you inhale. Breathe out. Bend for sidewards. Feel the side stretch. Stay as long as it's comfortable. Breathe in. Breathe out, down. Relax. Now the other hand. Same. Breathe in and raise the hand. Breathe out. Bend for sidewards. Feel the side stretch. Hand touching the ears. 3 breaths. Breathe in straight. Breathe out, hand down. Relax 3 breaths. Now balancing on the toes. Feet together, knees together. Namaste. 3 breaths. Breathe in and raise the hands all the way up. Hands touching the ears. Breathe out. Bring the hands on the head. Push the elbows back. Breathe in and bring the hands forward. Namaste. Breathe out. Relax on Dandasana. 3 breaths.